Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from Metamask to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron coins securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check your wallets to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First off, why do this? Metamask is great for Ethereum-based assets, but for TRX on the Tron network, you might need to bridge the gap. Before we start, ensure you have Metamask installed on your browser and set up with the Tron network. You'll also need your Arculus Wallet app ready, with a funded account to cover any network fees. Oh, and make sure you have some TRX in your Metamask wallet. Grab some from an exchange if you don't. Step 1. Open Metamask and switch to the Tron network. If it's not added, go to the network settings, click Add Network, and enter the Tron RPC details. You can find these online. Just search for Tron RPC for Metamask. Once that's done, select your TRX asset in Metamask. Step 2. Copy the receiving address from your Arculus wallet. Open the Arculus app, go to your wallet dashboard, and tap on the Receive option to get your TRX address. Double-check this address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on the TRX balance, then hit Send. Paste the Arculus address into the recipient field, enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the gas fees, even on Tron. They're usually low, but every bit counts. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Hit Send, and wait for it to process on the Tron blockchain. This might take a minute or two. Once it's done, head over to your Arculus wallet and refresh to see your TRX arrive. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in your Arculus wallet. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify everything twice. If you run into issues, check the Tron Explorer for your transaction status. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.